All right, so this next part of the lesson, I'm going to show you how to use your calculator to find a determinant. So I need you to pause the video to copy down this matrix, and we're going to work on typing that into our calculator. So on your calculator, we're going to start on the home screen. So if you have anything there, you just want to press your clear button to get rid of it. And then since we're entering in the matrix, we need to go to our matrix menu in our calculator. So down on the left side, we should see the word matrix. And then this is called the inverse key. So we're going to press second and then the inverse key to go to our matrix screen. And then anytime we're entering in our matrix, we're going to go over to edit. So you may or may not see this stuff in your calculator. So if it's there, it's fine. If it's not there, then you're just going to add it in at this step. Okay. So we're going to arrow over to edit and then press enter. So again, when we type this in, we're going to start with the dimensions. So on that example that I had up at the beginning of the video, that was a 3x3 matrix. So we're going to press 3, enter, 3, enter. And then now we're just going to type those numbers in going across the row. So we would type 1, enter, 7, enter, 2, enter, and then -1, so we want to make sure that we're using the negative key at the bottom and not the subtraction key. Okay, so again, -1, enter, 1, enter, -2, enter, 1, enter, 1, enter, and 1, enter. So now we have our matrix on our calculator. So the next thing that we are going to do is quit and go back to the home screen. So we're going to press second and then the mode key. Now again, it's very important that you remember to do this step because if you don't go back to your home screen, you're going to get an error message for the next set. So we're going to go back to our matrix, so second matrix, and then we want to go over to math. And then here are our matrix operations that we can tell our calculator to do. So again, for this problem, we are finding the determinant. So remember, DET is our abbreviation for that. So we're going to select that math operation. And then now we have to tell our calculator what we want to take the determinant of. So we're going to go and pull that matrix that we edited. So back to our matrix menu, so second and then the inverse key. And then we're going to select matrix A, because that's what we had typed in underneath our edit screen. So I'm just going to press enter to select it. So again, looking at our calculator, this is our math operation, so the determinant, and then of matrix A. So we're going to press enter to execute that operation. So -8 would be our answer for the determinant. So on your paper, we would just write -8 as our answer. And that's how you would use your calculator. So that also means that when you are working on these kind of problems, when you have to show your work, you have a way to check to see if your answer's correct. And you can also do that for your 2x2 determinants, or if you have a fourth order determinant, you can also use your calculator for that as well. And that is going to conclude the determinant part of section 7.